Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds. I had some really bad news today, to be honest. I was truly gutted. So we had a London crash course booked. We had to cancel it because the hotel went into, the whole lot of London went to tier 3. So we had a backup venue just outside of London. That then went into tier 3. So then we had a backup to the backup in Southampton. A few hours ago, Southampton Council said, sorry, you can't run the event. It's too high risk. So I was like, oh man, we had literally people driving to Southampton. If you're one of those people, I'm going to make it up to your promise. Staff going there, I was absolutely devastated. We did have a backup to the backup to the backup to the backup where I'm here right now. Now this is, I'm in Slough, just outside London, and this is the good news. That's the bad news. By the way, if you were booked on the crash course and you've like spent money on trains and stuff and you can't get it back, I'm going to give you a voucher, okay, a credit to spend on any train that we've got, because I feel awful about that. I know it's probably, all this is going to cost me a fortune, but the thing is, as an entrepreneur, you need to be pushing the boat and you need to be being creative rather than just waiting, and that's what everyone's doing. Everyone's just waiting until next year. So I'm here. So here's what's happening. This is the good news. The good news is the crash course is going virtual. It's online. We're going to do it on Zoom, but this is not like a normal Zoom meeting. This is, I've had people paid big money. I've paid thousands and thousands to have this backup ready, just in case this happened. So I'm going to see it. Let's have a look. This is the backup to the backup to the backup to the backup, live in Slough tomorrow. The crash course is happening. So listen, if you've never been to the crash course, or if you live real far away, or if you couldn't make it tomorrow because of the distance or because of COVID-19, this is what's happening. So I've not seen this yet. This is the very first time I've ever been here. Sounds good. I think this is going to be like a real live event. I don't know what to expect. I really don't know what to expect. Yes, man, what's happening? So this is it. Oh my goodness. Yes, boy. So this is it. This is where the Property Investors Crash Course is going to be held. This is going to be crazy, man. Right. This is my boy Sanj has been working on this. This is backup to the backup to the backup. So we get Sanj, what's this crash course going to be like? The first ever. Do you know how many years people have said to me, Samuel, please can you run your crash course online? Can you do it live? Can you do it on Zoom? I've never done it. This is the very first one. What's this going to be like, bro?
It's going to be sick. Let me tell you something, right? A lot of people have had excuses as to why they shouldn't attend a crash course because of excuses like distance and all that kind of stuff. You ain't got no excuses no more. You can attend this course from the comfort of your home or your office.
This is the dude that normally does the sound for the crash course as well. What's the crash course like, bro?
Insane.
As a property program, you don't get much better. So, oh boy, we're running the program just like a normal program. This is going to be...
Speak to delegates on these screens.
I can speak to delegates on the screens. You're going to be big on the screen. You know what's going to happen? Let me tell you something. Your face is going to be big on the screen. I'm going to be able to look you in the eye. That's what it's going to be like. Oh my goodness.
Look at that, look at that.
Look at this. This is about as close to a live event as you can get, a physical event. So, jeez. So people are going to be circling. I'm going to be looking you straight in the whites of the eyes over Zoom. Over Zoom. We're going to be finding live deals. We're going to run the crash course just as the crash course is meant to be run. On stage, people in the room. So let me tell you something. I'm really sorry we couldn't meet physically face to face. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry if you were booked on to Southampton. You were driving down. I'm really sorry. Get in touch. If you've lost money over that and you can't get refunds, I will personally give you a credit voucher. Okay, because I don't want that. I don't want you to be out of pocket. I want you to be financially independent. So tomorrow, we're going to be meeting, I think 8 a.m. registration, ready for a 9 a.m. start. I'm going to be going through my 12 years experience in property, condensing it into a day, here, live, at the Property Investors Crash Course, virtually, the first one we've ever done. So whether you're in India, Australia, New Zealand, New York, Germany, if you're in Philadelphia, I've been there, done deals. If you're in Scotland, Ireland, Wales, England, I hope to see you there. I don't know if we've got limited spaces or if there's, I don't know how this works. What I do know is I've got the best team in the world, on the planet, putting this together so that it can facilitate me to teach you and give you the skills you need to know in property. Tomorrow I'm going to be live. I'm just going to be doing calls to estate agents, showing you how to book deals. Right now before Christmas. You know what yesterday I was doing? Yesterday I was in Liverpool. How many deals was I doing yesterday?
Many deals.
Many deals yesterday. I was in Liverpool. Christmas time, everyone's winding down. These are going to be the next few days where you're going to get a deal. You're going to bag a deal. So if you want to bag a deal before Christmas, join me at the Property Investors Crash Course tomorrow. I'm going to leave a link in the description. I think it's a £1 fee, or is it free? I don't know. But I'm not charging for this program. There might be a £1 booking fee. It might be free. I'm not sure. But click the link. Get registered. I'll see you tomorrow at the first ever Property Investors Crash Course virtually. I'm mesmerized. It's going to be a mesmerizing program. I'll see you there. I'll leave a link in the description. And let me tell you something. Man, so many people tried to stop this event. The government, the councils, because of COVID-19. But it is happening. We are unstoppable here at the studio. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Click the link. Get registered. It's free. I look forward to it. Let's bag a deal before Christmas, baby.